French Polynesia is made up of over 100 islands and atolls, spread across more than 2 million square miles of the South Pacific Ocean. The capital of French Polynesia is Papeete, located on the island of Tahiti. French Polynesia is an overseas collectivity of France, with its own government and assembly. The islands are divided into 5 groups: the Society Islands, the Marquesas Islands, the Tuamotu Archipelago, the Gambier Islands, and the Austral Islands. Tahiti is the largest island in French Polynesia and its most populated. Papeete, the capital, is known for its vibrant markets, lush gardens, and beautiful waterfront. The official languages are French and Tahitian, with English also commonly spoken in tourist areas. The traditional dance of Tahiti is called Ori Tahiti, which often features lively hip movements and colorful costumes. French Polynesia is known for its vibrant coral reefs, making it a popular destination for snorkeling and scuba diving. The islands have a tropical climate, with warm temperatures year-round and a wet season typically from November to April. French Polynesia is famous for its overwater bungalows, which offer a unique accommodation experience directly above the water. The country's economy relies heavily on tourism, agriculture, and fishing. The indigenous Polynesian culture is rich in mythology, music, and art, with deep spiritual ties to the land and sea. French Polynesians celebrate Bastille Day on July 14th with parades, fireworks, and cultural events. Tahitian black pearls are renowned worldwide for their unique colors and high quality. The islands are home to numerous species of endemic plants and animals, including the endangered Tahitian pigeon. Mount Orahina, located on Tahiti, is the highest point in French Polynesia, reaching 2,241 meters, 7,350 feet. Papeete's harbor is one of the largest in the South Pacific and serves as a major stop for cruise ships. The island of Bora Bora, known for its stunning lagoon and luxury resorts, is often referred to as the Pearl of the Pacific. The traditional Polynesian sailing canoes, called ubaka, were crucial for navigation across the vast ocean. French Polynesia's unique Tahitian cuisine combines local ingredients with French culinary techniques. The annual Haiva Festival celebrates Polynesian culture with traditional sports, dance, and music. The islands were heavily influenced by missionaries in the 19th century, which led to significant changes in religious practices and culture. The term Polynesia means many islands in Greek, highlighting the vast archipelago. Moorea, an island close to Tahiti, is known for its stunning landscapes and hiking trails. The island of Huahine is often called the Garden of Eden for its lush vegetation and picturesque scenery. French Polynesia's time zone is 10 to 11 hours behind Coordinated Universal Time, UTC-10 to UTC-11. The islands are famous for their traditional crafts, including weaving, carving, and tattooing. Traditional Tahitian tattoos symbolize cultural identity and tell stories of ancestry and achievements. The water surrounding the islands is home to a rich diversity of marine life, including manta rays and sharks. Papeete has a famous market called Marquesas de Papeete, where visitors can buy local produce, crafts, and souvenirs. The islands have been a filming location for numerous movies, including The Bounty and Couples Retreat. The Polynesian Triangle is formed by the lines connecting Hawaii, Easter Island, and New Zealand. French Polynesia was officially annexed by France in 1880. The islands were used by the French for nuclear testing in the 20th century, leading to significant controversies and health concerns. The annual Tahiti Pearl Regatta attracts sailors from around the world for a week-long sailing competition. The traditional Polynesian way of life emphasizes community, family, and respect for nature. The island of Tahae is known as the Vanilla Island due to its extensive vanilla plantations. Papeete has a strong nightlife scene, with a variety of bars, clubs, and live music venues. The Marquesas Islands are known for their dramatic landscapes and rugged beauty, attracting adventurous travelers. The Tahitian language has a rich oral tradition, with stories passed down through generations. Polynesian navigation used the stars, ocean currents, and the behavior of birds to journey across the vast ocean. French Polynesia has one of the highest life expectancies in the world due to a healthy diet and lifestyle.